Let me tell you about the story of a baby about to be born, and the conversation between this baby and his creator. Lord, the baby said, I believe you're sending me to earth tomorrow. But how am I gonna live there, Lord? I'm so small and helpless. Well, the Lord said, amongst the many angels there, I've chosen one just for you. But tell me, the baby said, here in heaven, I don't do anything. I just smile and sing all day, and that's enough, Lord, for me to be happy. Well, said the Lord, your angel will sing for you and will also smile for you every day. And you will feel your angel's love, and you'll be happy. And the baby said, but how am I going to be able to understand when people talk to me, Lord? I don't even know the language down there on earth. Well, said the Lord, your angel will tell you the most beautiful and sweet words you'll ever hear. And with much patience and care, your angel will teach you to speak. Well, what am I gonna do when I want to talk to you, God? Well, said the Lord, your angel will place your hands together and teach you how to pray. Oh, said the baby, I've heard there are bad things and bad men on earth, God. Who will protect me? Your angel will defend you, said the Lord, even if it means risking her life. But I will be sad, God, said the baby, because I will not see you anymore. Shh, said the Lord. Your angel will ask you about me and talk to you about me and will teach you the way to come back to me, even though I will always be there for you. Well, at that moment there was much peace in heaven, and voices could be heard from earth. And quickly the child said, Lord, I'm leaving now, but tell me my angel's name. And the Lord said, your angel's name is of no importance. You will call your angel Mommy.